craft, repair, and create with unmatched freedom and precision anywhere you go. The best cordless hot glue gun offers quick heat-up time, consistent glue flow, and a comfortable grip. Perfect for DIY projects, home decor, or quick fixes without messy cords or delays. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. WORKPRO 7.2V Hot Glue Gun. The WORKPRO 7.2V Hot Glue Gun is a thoughtfully designed and versatile tool that perfectly combines functionality, efficiency, and purpose. One standout feature is its Pink Ribbon initiative, where part of every purchase supports donations to Helping Women Now, making this tool not only practical but meaningful. It features a dual temperature design, saving precious time for both professionals and hobbyists. Unlike traditional glue guns, it uses an advanced energy-efficient heating element that consumes 20 to 30% less electricity while ensuring consistent glue flow. The 2600 mAh built-in battery delivers up to 45 minutes of continuous operation, and an intelligent auto shutoff feature after 10 minutes of inactivity enhances safety and conserves energy. Adding to its appeal, the set includes 50 colorful glue sticks for creative variety and smooth adhesion, ideal for crafting, decorating, or quick home fixes. Everything fits neatly into a portable storage bag, keeping the glue gun, Type-C charger, and accessories organized and travel-friendly. For crafters, DIY enthusiasts, or anyone seeking a reliable, eco-conscious tool, the WORKPRO 7.2V Hot Glue Gun offers dependable performance, convenience, and a touch of purpose-driven design. Number 2. HOTO Easyflow Hot Glue Gun. The HOTO Easyflow Hot Glue Gun redefines ease of use and creativity with its modern, intuitive features. Equipped with 40 premium glue sticks, 30 clear and 10 vibrant colors, it encourages artistic freedom and personalization in every project. Whether decorating, repairing, or crafting, its glue sticks are made from low-odor resin for a clean, smoke-free experience indoors. Safety is also a priority. An auto power-off feature activates after 5 minutes of inactivity to prevent accidents and save power. Its standout function is automatic glue flow. A simple click dispenses glue smoothly, eliminating the strain of constant trigger squeezing. For flexibility, users can switch between cordless and wired modes. The built-in 3000 mAh battery supports up to 30 glue sticks per charge, ensuring continuous productivity. Lightweight yet durable, it's ideal for bonding materials like paper, glass, fabric, and plastic with ease. Compact and kid-safe, the HOTO Easyflow is perfect for classrooms, hobby spaces, or home repairs. Combining efficiency, comfort, and safety in one stylish package, this glue gun is a must-have for anyone who values creativity without compromise. Number 3. Mellif Hot Glue Gun. The Mellif Hot Glue Gun offers a reliable, cordless solution for crafters and repair enthusiasts who appreciate both portability and performance. Designed with convenience in mind, it includes 20 multi-purpose glue sticks and operates without the restriction of cords, allowing free movement during use. This model features fast preheating technology, reaching optimal temperature within 3 to 5 minutes thanks to its advanced PTC heating system, which ensures stable and efficient glue flow. Safety is also a priority. The unit incorporates built-in low-voltage protection, and its copper-insulated nozzle prevents glue leakage while maintaining consistent precision. Additionally, the lock-off switch design ensures accidental activation is avoided, adding another layer of protection during storage or transport. The ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended use, making it ideal for various applications, including arts and crafts, home repair, DIY decorations, and seasonal projects. Compatible with a range of materials like plastic, paper, fabric, glass, and cotton, it's a versatile tool suited for beginners and experienced users alike. The Mellif Cordless Glue Gun stands out for its balance between performance and safety, offering dependable operation and easy handling.
Compact yet powerful, it's an excellent addition to any workspace, helping users achieve professional results in every creative or repair task. Number 4. MONVICT Hot Glue Gun. The MONVICT Hot Glue Gun is a powerhouse of performance and precision designed for serious crafters and professionals alike. Its standout feature is compatibility with dewalt 20V max lithium batteries, offering convenient interchangeability for users who already own compatible tools. With a digital LED display and adjustable temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, users can fine-tune heat levels for different materials, ensuring optimal results without damage. This model's dripless design prevents messy glue overflow, while a heat-resistant copper nozzle ensures safe, precise dispensing. Additional features like low pressure and anti-touch switch protection enhance safety and energy efficiency. Its ergonomic large trigger minimizes fatigue, ideal for long crafting sessions. The MONVICT kit includes 10 full-size glue sticks and a detailed manual, making setup simple and quick. From quick repairs to creative art projects, it performs reliably across materials like fabric, plastic, paper, and wood. For those seeking professional-grade performance with adjustable precision, the MONVICT Cordless Hot Glue Gun delivers durability, convenience, and smart safety features in one advanced package. Number 5. THINKWORK 20V Hot Glue Gun. The THINKWORK 20V Hot Glue Gun is an exceptional blend of power, precision, and portability designed to meet the needs of hobbyists and professionals alike. Featuring rapid preheating that reaches working temperature 356 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit in just 2 minutes, it utilizes an advanced PTC heating system that guarantees even heat distribution and consistent glue flow. Its standout advantage lies in dispensing speed. Capable of releasing 0.7 ounces per minute, it outperforms most standard glue guns by a wide margin, allowing users to complete large projects quickly and cleanly. A low-leakage nozzle ensures precise application, preventing glue waste and workspace clutter. The package includes 30 full-size transparent glue sticks, a silicone pad, and user manual, everything needed for immediate use. Versatile enough for crafts, gift-making, or repairs, it bonds seamlessly with wood, fabric, cardboard, and plastic. The THINKWORK also emphasizes durability and safety, advising regular charging for battery longevity and caution against use while charging. For those seeking a high-performance cordless glue gun with speed, endurance, and precision, THINKWORK delivers professional-grade reliability and efficiency in every application. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.